Hello guys, this is Kajal Khatri. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw a text using processing because drawing text in processing is a fundamental aspect of creating interactive and informative visualizations. So friends, I'll start by writing the void setup function in the editor here. Void setup and then the size to 400, 200 to set up the canvas. Next, I'll write the draw function as usual. First, in this, I'll write the background. "255" to set it to white color ending with a semicolon. Next, I'll start filling the text that I want. So, for that, I'll write fill and then set it to 0 to show the text in black color. Then, for the text, I'll have to write text size and I'll set the size to 32. Next, I'll say what text I want to draw using this. So I'll have to write text and then in the parenthesis here, I'll write hello world to display this and then write the parameters 50 and 100 to display it to position at 50 and 100. Now, if I run this guys, see I got a text what I wanted. This is how you can easily draw text by using processing. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey of visual storytelling with processing.